Blessings to each of you, this special Holy Week edition of our video update. You know, I really am struggling with what to say to you this week on our update. It's such a roller coaster, Holy Week is. You know, we started so up and so triumphant on Palm Sunday, and as we move along the week towards Maundy Thursday, we're preparing for the intimacy of Christ with his disciples. And then far too quickly, that beautiful friendship turns into betrayal and denial, and ultimately the cross. And then before the week is through, we experience the glory and the triumph of Easter, and it leaves your head spinning as you move from one service to the next, from one story to the next. All I want to invite you to this week is to come and be a part of that story. Come to Maundy Thursday and be a part of the intimate connection with Christ. Come on Friday to the Way of the Cross or our Good Friday service and bear witness to the reality of suffering in Christ and connect it to our own suffering. And of course, come for the resurrection. Come to see the new life. I'll see you this Holy Week at St. Luke's.